2024, and I will read our Open Public Meetings Act statement. Under Chapter 231 of the Public Laws of 1975, better known as the Open Public Meetings Act, the Middlesex County Board of Social Services, as a public body, is required to hold open meetings and to post and distribute to the press its public notice 48 hours prior to the meeting date. Our board sent to the Home News Tribune a copy of the public meeting notice on Monday, September 9th, 2024. A copy of the notice was also posted in the Social Services reception area and delivered to the county clerk for posting in the county administration building. Roll call.
Sandra Coleman. Here. Barbara Blackwell.
Here.
Eric Marizine. Mr. Thomas. Janelle Rodriguez.
Here.
Jerome Hayes. Commissioner Escona Barber.
Here.
Commissioner Koppel. We have a quorum.
I need an approval of the minutes of the previous meeting as distributed. Need a motion to approve. Need a second?
Second.
All in favor?
Aye.
Thank you. Ratification of transactions accomplished by direction and authority of the director from August 8th, 2024 to September 12th, 2024. I need a motion. Need a second?
Second.
All in favor?
Aye. Aye.
Receipt of treasurer's financial report. Everything is in your packet. I'm going to take a moment to look if you have not already, and then I need a motion to accept. Need a motion to approve.
Motion to approve.
Second? I need a second, please. Someone? Janelle, can you please second?
I'll second.
All in favor?
Aye.
Authorization of funds requisition. I need a motion.
Motion to move.
Second? I need a second, please. Janelle, can you please?
Second.
All in favor?
Aye.
Thank you. A receipt of and approval for a list of bills. I need a motion to approve.
Motion to approve.
I need a second.
Second.
All in favor? Thank you.
Aye.
Communication. Certification list from the Civil Service Commission for the following titles: Social Service Technician and Social Worker. Each board member was sent a copy of correspondence received by the board. Old business.
Old business. Regarding the active caseload report, the Division of Family Development has not yet released the program staff for July and August. The latest data available is for June. In Middlesex County, 637 families received Workforce New Jersey TANF assistance in June, comprising a total of 1,654 individuals. During June, there was 46 closures and 56 new cases added. Food stamps assistance supported 31,016 households, benefiting a total of 56,146 individuals in June of 2024. Additionally, Middlesex County recorded 723 general assistance cases during the month of June. The Medicaid redetermination report shows for August, the total caseload for Middlesex County stands at 43,590 individuals, and approximately 40% of our redeterminations are currently overdue. In August, the following applications and recertification figures were recorded at our office. New SNAP applications, 336, new GA applications, 608. New SNAP applications, 1,683, and SNAP recertifications, 2,140. During the same period, our receptionist provided assistance to 3,337 individuals, including 465 individuals who visited the First Amboy office. Additionally, our call center managed 11,127 calls throughout the month. And that concludes the old business.
Thank you.
Ms. Blackwell, we have, I believe, Commissioner Koppel, are you now on the line?
That is correct.
Thank you.
Morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
The new business? Okay, public comment. Each member of the public has 5 minutes to discuss any resolution on the agenda. CWA 1032? Thank you. And any public input?
I do have some regarding policy. People are not obviously not decreasing, and they continue to be capacity in terms of work, but it's coming back to are cutting overtime hours. The board aware of that, and I know that I continue the conversation. Improvement. They still
Thank you. Thank you. Any public input? Okay.
I couldn't really hear what she said. She was kind of breaking in and out.
I think it's fair to say the CWA representative raised concerns about the staffing levels at the board and the need for additional recruitment. Is that fair?
correct. Thank you.
Okay.
We need approval to discuss personnel matters, client reimbursements, and protective payees, workers' compensation report, and attorney-client privilege communications in closed session. Need a roll call vote?
Sandra Coleman?
Yes.
Barbara Blackwell?
Yes.
Janelle Rodriguez?
Yes.
Commissioner Escona Barber?
Yes.
Commissioner Koppel?
Yes.
Okay, if everybody would bear with me while I put those who are not on the board in the waiting room.
Oh, wait, Anita.
Could the person who has the last 4 digits, 8562, please tell me who you are? Hello? The person who has, okay, that's fine. The person who has 1628 as the last 4 digits of your phone number, please tell me who you are.
You have been added to the waiting room. You cannot talk or listen until the host admits you to the meeting.
Okay, so our resolutions, which everyone has a copy of, does any board member wish to discuss any of the resolutions? I need a motion to adopt the consent agenda consisting of resolutions 24-060 through 24-067. May I have a motion?
So moved.
May I have a second?
Second.
I'll second.
All in favor?
Aye.
Each member of the public has 5 minutes to discuss any board-related matter. Is there anyone that would like to speak?
Yes, please. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Morning, everyone. Charlie Cradaville, New Brunswick Today. I know it's been a few months since I attended and spoke here, so I wanted to start by just saying thank you for adding some of the documents to the board's website, the meeting documents, agendas, minutes, those kind of things. I think I brought that up, that those would be helpful, and I see that they've been added, so I thank whoever was responsible. I also had a few questions. I wanted to follow up on the attorney position. Can you tell me who is in the role as the main attorney for the board now?
Sure, it's Kyle Trent from Abrazazi, McDermott, Mastro, and Murphy.
Great. Thank you, Mr. Trent. Good luck to you. And
Thanks.
the only other item I wanted to ask about was the EBT cards. I spoke to someone who mentioned that they had, basically, got their card, and by the time they tried to use it, almost all of the money was, almost all of the EBT was gone. And I know they came in to get a replacement, and they, happened to notice that they weren't the only one that had this problem. And I wanted to ask if there's any kind of systemic issues with the EBT cards, or what is going on with that? Does anybody have any information they can share?
How long ago was that? Do you know?
Just a couple days ago. I think the issue was identified on September 3rd, I think is when the gentleman came into the board.
Mm-hmm. There is a issue countrywide, I guess, and they've talked about it on the news. The skimming happens, and there is protocol that we have to follow on it, and they work on replacing their benefits. They are talking about, and this is the feds, going to a different system, having a chip in the card, which they do not have yet.
Got it.
We will get
Got
it
it.
sooner. We are,
So
working with the skimming as it comes up. A few months ago, there was skimming where we had a huge amount, and that's why I was wondering if you were talking about that. It seems to hit different counties at different times. So our county was a couple months ago, and so now you're saying there's another one, so we will have to watch and see. It's a large amount, but I have not been told by our investigative department that that is what has happened this month yet.
Got it. Yeah, this is a gentleman from New Brunswick, and just to clarify, when you say skimming, you mean, a criminal installing a device to sort of capture people's information.
I don't think they know how they're doing it yet, but they are getting the information somehow.
Right. Okay, so I also suspected that it was some sort of criminal scheme that led to this, because the gentleman, I think he said he had $2 or $3 left on in EBT, but it didn't totally run out. So I suspected somebody was using the card without his knowledge. I guess without even the card itself. So yeah, I appreciate you engaging on this and giving me the information you have. I hope that people don't have to deal with this in the near future, but it's definitely a problem for some right now, and wanted to make sure everybody knew. So thanks for hearing me out, and thank you again for updating the website and for being able to join remotely.
Thank you for bringing that to our attention, Mr. Cradaville. Is there anyone else?
Hi, I have a question regarding emergency housing. Would that be one of the topics
Could
discussed?
you just
today?
identify who's speaking right now for the record?
Yeah, last name Newsom, Newsom.
Thank you. Sorry for cutting you off.
You're fine. Yeah, and thank you for all that you do at the county. So I'm just wanting to know general information regarding emergency housing, and is there a difference between obtaining emergency housing for those who are homeless, or like, is there a difference between emergency housing and just placement? Is there two different
I was
application
talking about
processes?
this, but emergency assistance in our agency is for either SSI recipients or TANF, VA, Workforce New Jersey clients. And you would apply through our program here for those types of assistance. There are limits, how long you can be on it, there's income guidelines, there's just a lot that we could talk about, but is there something more specific you could tell me about?
Well, I guess to be more specific, my question was, is there a difference between emergency housing and maybe the temporary rental assistance, the TRA? Are they the same application process, or is it recognized as two different process?
We do both of those here through our emergency assistance unit. Have you been in contact with someone in our department?
I tried. It's just kind of been difficult because lack of information. Is there anyone you could recommend? Mm-hmm.
I'll have someone reach out to you if you want to, I don't know how we want to, you have a phone number on here, right? I can use that then.
Yeah.
I will need your phone number. Just tell me the last 4 digits of your phone number, so this way you don't have to divulge it to everybody.
6562.
Okay, thank you so much.
I'll have someone reach out to you.
Again, thank you.
Mm-hmm.
Is there anyone else with a public comment? Okay, if not, I need a motion to adjourn.
Motion.
I need a second.
Second.
All in favor?
Aye.
Aye.
See you all next month. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Have a good
Bye-bye.
day.
Bye.